barbecue for dinner, and it's so super simple. I had some Melvins. Generally, we normally use the Golden Secret. That's what we like at our house, but today we're going to try the Hickory, but there's also the red. We haven't had the Hickory yet, so we're going to try that one today. But how I do my barbecue is super easy, and it's probably against all of the barbecue experts' ways of doing this. But I had a pork loin in the freezer. I took it out frozen, put it in my crock pot this morning, turned it on high, and cooked it. I did go ahead and drain off all of the fat. And so all I'm going to do is basically shred up this barbecue. I've turned my crock pot down to just keep warm. And all I'm going to do is just shred it up right here in the crock pot. And once I get through all of this, then all I'm going to do is pour in about, not the whole bottle, but probably close. I'm probably going to leave about that much of the bottle for on the side for sandwiches. This pork loin probably will last us all week. We'll eat off of this probably 3 nights this week. There's only 2 of us, so if you have a family, that would be obviously a lot more. So I'm a little bit more than half of the bottle. So I leave some, for on the side. Ooh, that's good. And then I'm just gonna shred it up. I will keep it in this crock pot for a little bit longer. I'll shred it, keep it in here for a bit longer. I mean, it is so tender. It's just fork tender. It's just shredding completely apart. I'll keep this in here and get the barbecue sauce warmed up, and then we'll do sandwiches all week, as well as just barbecue with collards or green beans and mashed potatoes one night, or something to vary it up. But we'll make a couple of different meals out of this. But it's really, barbecue at home can be that simple. Just a pork loin with some barbecue sauce and the crock pot. So enjoy. So I shredded up all that pork, and look at this, you guys. It is so good. We're gonna put this on a couple of buns with some chips tonight. That's really gonna be it, but it's so good. You guys will love it. If it gets a little bit dry, I did put a little bit of the fat back in, but other than that, all you need is the sauce. If you have good sauce and a good pork loin, you're good to go. Barbecue all week long.